a master's, whether it is PGDM or MBA, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
must have applied through some entrance exam criteria, so you must have got some scores in your CAT, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have given a SAT,
Okay.
uh, and I got 59.3 percentile. 59.3, yeah.
And what about your CAT percentile, Nishant?
Ma'am, I didn't give CAT. I
Okay.
was not well that day. Yeah.
Okay. Perfectly okay. So, Nishant, now see what is very important. When as a commerce student and looking for management programs, you do have to analyze many case studies, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
important is now you have got your admission in gyms. What exactly is the financial component in Kalkaji? The entire program is costing how much?
7.70 lakhs for
Seven
2 years.
point seven for 2 years. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the placement, the minimum and the average placement?
Ma'am, the average placement is 5.5 lakhs,
Okay,
and
perfectly. Minimum?
minimum is actually I've heard from the students minimum is 3.54.
Okay, now my point is, Nishant, you are a single child. I believe your parents won't be, bothering much about finances. They can invest on you till any extent, provided you get the best brands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And important is if your finances are going beyond your financial segment as of now, then also you can easily go for education loan. Okay, remember this. So Nishan, my only point and the concern is you have done your BBA for amazing institute, right? And ultimately for your MBA, when I see candidates and I can like when we are having the word with candidates, we always tell them about minimum package 10 15 lakhs, 10 to
Yes,
15 LPA, which is you can say 3 times of average package of this, right?
ma'am.
So don't you think your branding, your placements, everything needs a proper deep concern before initiating the process?
Yes, ma'am.
Ultimately, I've seen BTech students getting hardly 3 to 4 5 LPA in India. Then they come
Yes,
with
ma'am.
for PGDM MBA programs in UK, Canada, or maybe best brands possible in India also, so that they get some breakthrough and some bounce, in their
Ma'am.
financial segment. So what exactly happens, Nishant, if you get through a very, I'll say average college, you get average placements or maybe below average, then there is
Yes,
no possibility of upskilling yourself at that moment, right?
yes, ma'am. And there's one more thing which I have observed is that ma'am, learning also, like there's difference between learning also.
Yeah, certainly there
Difference
is
in learning,
because
yeah.
we see ultimately what happens. Now, tell me, Nishant, see, I'll come straight away to the preferences. We can, if today we consider as day one, let us say, okay, and you give your documents to Dakshita after the session is done, and you register with us. Within 10 days, you have confirmation from the top 10 business school in the world, number one. I'm talking about SP Jan Global. I'm talking about Mumbai campus. Okay? So it is much possible within 10 days you can have the offer letter. For SP Jan Global, your international branding is done because that's not Indian business school, it's an Australian business school. Okay? Number
Yes,
two, if not SP Jan, then IFIM Bangalore. That's India, France, India, Mumbai. IFIM Bangalore also amazing institute for PGDM finance studies, for HR, for marketing with great exposure and great branding. Now the point is, and even if I say BIMTech, the Birlas in Noida, let us say, but let's focus on the first two, SPGen and IFIM. Let's try out in these two institutions. So just let me understand, Nishan, are you comfortable in moving to Delhi?
sorry. Hello. Hello, ma'am. You are not audible.
Yes, Nishan?
Yes, ma'am. You were saying something.
Yeah. I'm asking you that are you comfortable in moving out of Delhi for your master's program?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable, Nishan, moving out of country for
Yes,
your
ma'am.
master's program?
Okay, out of country. No, ma'am. That's like secondary thing.
Okay, so in this regard, what is important? you should just focus on the top brands with no compromise, Nishant. Now, let me tell you what SP Gen Global is. Okay. And before that, what is important? Are you aware of the process? How do we go for this?
For the admissions,
For the admissions?
ma'am, little bit.
Okay, so I'll just tell you what exactly are the USPs of SP Gen. Number one, please write down. You invest your 12 good months and you complete your academic curriculum. Number one.
Okay.
After 12 months, you have your 4 months internship where you get 60 to 80,000 in a month for 4 months. And after completing your entire academic program and internship, you get your degree, that is your MBA degree, which is TEXA accredited, like we have UGC in India. That is TEXA is an Australian government body. Okay.
Okay.
It is valid all across the globe. You go for your PR options, you go for your PhD. You can do PhD also from any institute. Okay. That is the
Okay,
validity
ma'am.
of degree. Now coming to the major concern about your program. So see, they have amazing campus in Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, and Mumbai. So you can just mention four important campuses: Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, and Mumbai. And the financial component is something around 30 to 40 lakhs, which you'll feel, Nishan, it is too high. And yes, it is too high. But due to COVID-19, what is good? With great scholarships, the cost is cut down to 50% almost, and you have just 18 point something plus GST, that is 22 lakhs as the entire financial segment. And in this also, if your dad has got business, he has got GST, you can get the GST waiver. So ultimately for you, you're saving 3 to 4 lakhs. It is just 18 point something for you. So don't you think
For
it's
2 years.
amazing? For
Oh,
two,
for two
yeah, for the
years.
entire program. It's not, you don't invest 2 years. See, whenever I'll come to this point later in the later phase, 12 months academic study and then 4 months internship.
Okay. Oh,
12 months academic study, you study, but 4 months internship, you are getting something around 60 to 80,000 per month. You're paid for this internship. Okay. So you're working
okay.
somewhere, right?
Hmm. Okay.
So what is important is now the cost is cut down. You save your one complete year. You have more opportunities because the brand is top 10 in the world. Now, what plus points you have? Financial segment, you're saving a lot. As far as alumni are concerned, more than 10,000 alumni in 36 countries, and that too in ruling position. Reason, placements. Now, if I come to placements of SP Jain, so what is important is on average it is 15 to 25 LPA on average. And if you consider higher scale, it is 30 to 50 LPA. Reason, candidates from Mumbai, now with this cost cut down, you can stay in Mumbai for 12 months. You can complete your program. And as far as placements and internships are concerned, 70% students from Mumbai are going abroad. So if you get amazing placements in Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, or any part of the world, I'll say, you get great placement packages. Okay?
Yeah, so, ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, yeah, please.
What will be the impact of COVID-19 on this program? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Nishan, any other question, please pen down and then ask me in totality.
I'm saying that what will be the impact of COVID-19 as as SPGN provides uh, a person that he or she can go to see various countries and looking at present situation scenario, uh, what will be the impact of this?
Okay,
What can be
so
the impact?
Nishan,
Yes, ma'am.
right, Nishan, what is important? They are starting this session, and in case there is COVID issue, they will be initiating in the online mode for some initial days. Okay. Second thing,
Okay.
what is important? As you say,
Mm.
pandemic, it is across the globe. So what has stopped? Nothing. everything is going on, education system is going on. Do you think everybody will drop 1 year? Nobody is going to
No,
drop 1 year, right? Only
no,
thing
ma'am,
is
no, ma'am.
you have to take precautions. And Nishant, and the best part is, see, even I'm in Delhi, you are in Delhi. We know what number count is in Delhi. So even in
Yes,
Delhi, we don't meet our near and dear ones because of COVID. You got my point?
yes, ma'am.
So ultimately, even we are not very safe. But the thing is, we have to take precautions when we move in the gathering or when we move outside. Okay? So COVID 19 is not the concern reason. All the precautions are taken well care of, whether it's Mumbai campus or campus abroad. So because of the travel ban only, they have allowed students to stay in Mumbai. So now when you're staying 12 months in Mumbai, that is the reason you have the cost cut down. So important is you're getting